That one crushed it. That one crushed it. Okay guys, we're back on the water, taking out the Feel Free kayak. It's my tournament setup, making sure it's running okay because we have a Feel Free customer appreciation tournament that starts tomorrow and it runs into August. So just gonna be out here for a couple hours and we're gonna see what bites. Pickerel. Okay, got him out of the net, or in the net. Nice little pickerel. Put him back in there. Not a bad start. Trashed that one already. Trashed that one already. Gonna retie that because he shredded it pretty good. These worms are like $8 a bag, but if they're catching fish, I don't care. And they're usually only good for like one fish anyway, so I usually just put the hook straight into the body. And then when the fish hits it, I just pull it right through the worm, get the fish. Feels nice to be sitting back in the kayak. Oh, there's another one. Look at that. As soon as I cast it in the water, that's a nice one. Oh, he came off. He came off, people. He came off, buddies. He came off, buddies. Oh, he came off, buddies. As soon as it hit the water. We're down to one camera today. I don't have the setup for back of the kayak, so I apologize for only being a one view video today. There's one. Oh, he came off. He came off. Oh, he's back on. Oh, he's off again. Darn. Oh, there was one. He came up and crushed it. He came up and crushed it. Not bad little dude. All right, let's get another one. Oh, there's another one. Oh. We're gonna just let the wind drift us to wherever it wants to do it for the next, I don't know, 20, 30 minutes. Now if you can see out there, you can see where it's all calm here in the front. And then out there you can see the wind blowing around the grass line. We might go out there and target that then. Oh buddies, there was a big one that jumped out here. There was a big one that jumped out here, and it was definitely not a sunfish. He's right in line with that opening there over there. And almost. Probably another foot or two. I had to go up. There he is. There he is. Told you. I told you guys. I told you. Do we have this recording? Yeah, we do. Oh, you guys seen that, right? You guys seen that? You guys seen that? I know you guys seen that. Did I call that or what? Wow. No, birdies. No, birdies. No. Get away from it. Birds are trying to take my top order. Oh man, did you guys see that one? That one crushed him. For his quick release, folks. Quick release. We don't have time. We don't have time to mess with those little guys. We gotta get the big ones. Nice. Man, he hit that like a freight train, and then when I seen it was about 8 inches long, I was like, you kidding me? Oh yeah, it feels good to be in the kayak. Oh, that one crushed it. That one crushed it. I want to get this one in for you guys. Ooh, this is a tank, buddies. This is a tank. Oh my God! Check this guys out, buddy. This is a tank. Look at that. That's a tank. All right, guys. We got a tank here. We got a tanker here. Look at this, guys. Look at that tanker. Okay, get back in there, buddy. That was awesome. Well, monster bass. I ain't changing anything on this bait yet. And I'm not going to. After that, nope. This is perfect. This is set up perfect. I mean, he came up and hit that with aggression. And he got me all tangled up in my net. That's okay. I mean, he really got me tangled up in the net. It's a shame the tournament wasn't today. Let's see if we'll try that 1-2 punch I was talking about. There he is. Told you. 1-2 punch. That other fish we had would have ate this guy, but still nice. Oh, I got a little sore on there. Looks like yeah, look at that. Looks like he got hit by a heron or something. All right. All right, we're gonna put this bait away now until the sun goes in. I'm gonna concentrate on using the worm. That's a wind knot and a half. I don't think we're getting this one out. If we do, that'll be a surprise. That's a hell of a freaking wind knot. Nope. Little bit of Mountain Dew. Not. There's one. This is a little better guy. And there went my worm. You threw away my worm. Threw away my worm. Nice little boy. Back in there. A little too deep for the pole. We're going to have to use our anchor trolley. Yeah, little dude. Come on. Boom. Look at that. That's a monster. Go on, buddy. Okay guys, I think we're gonna call it a day. Gonna go home, do some things to the kayak here, get it set up for the river tomorrow, and hopefully we have a good day on the river like we did today. So like always, like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.